Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to build a second brain, a game-changing system that will revolutionize the way you learn, work, and retain information. A second brain is not just a tool, but a powerful system that helps you capture, organize, and review knowledge in a way that's tailored to your needs. By leveraging the principles of artificial memory, you can break free from the limitations of human memory and unlock your full potential. The concept of a second brain has gained immense popularity in recent years, with thought leaders like Tiago Forte and Scott Young advocating for its use. But what exactly is a second brain, and how can you build one? At its core, a second brain is a digital or analog system that allows you to capture and store information in a way that's searchable, accessible, and reviewable. It's a tool that helps you externalize your thinking, freeing up mental space for more complex tasks. To build a second brain, you'll need a few essential components: a note-taking system,